Hi everyone, I'm Sharon from Spherefix. Today I'm going to walk you through the full process of installing and operating Multibeam Echo Sounder on our SPCraft USV. Step by step, from payload mounting all the way to data collection. All the accessories included with Multibeam SPCraft USV. Open moon pool hatch. Mark 2.5 cm above midpoint of seam between moon pool and forward compartment. Prepare debris splash protection for drilling. Open foam cover. Stick white paper near drill hole to keep debris out of forward compartment. Drill 32 mm hole at marked position. Vacuum debris and remove protection. Route multibeam transducer cable through surface sound bracket. Fit cover plate and screw. New part has notch face forward. Among 4 holes, the one farthest from edge face forward. Insert screws and tighten with M3 hatch wrench. Place transducer on bracket in correct orientation, then invert both for assembly. Insert screws and tighten with M6 hatch wrench. Set aside. Lay vessel sideways for SVP installation. Bolt SVP bracket to vessel bottom. Fix SVP to bracket. Add insulation tape for friction if needed, and screw tight. Right the vessel. Lower bracket and transducer into moon pool. Secure DB9 SVP cable and transducer cable as shown. Coil access DB9 cable tied with zip tie and stow in bracket. Route 1 SVP cable end through moon pool to bottom. Connect to SVP and tighten connector. Connect half-meter TNC straight GNSS codes to single end of splitter. Disconnect ball attendant feeder and connect it to either dual port to splitter. Connect half-meter TNC right angle GNSS codes to unused dual port. Slightly rotate connector to make cable point upward. Connect the right angle end from single side to both antenna. Repeat the same 4 steps to connect the splitter to the stern antenna. this time using the longer TNC GNSS coaxial cable. Route stern GNSS course through vessel interior to forward compartment. Connect USB to DB9 adapter to COM4 port of 1 into 4 data cable. Tape and tie the 2 cables as demonstrated. Connect DB9 of SVP cable to DB9 of aviation style SVP cable. Connect DC5521 to bare wires of aviation style power cable. Tape deck unit. For final install, use Velcro or similar. Plug aviation SVP cable into deck unit. Plug power cable into deck unit. Plug multibeam transducer cable into deck unit sonar port. Plug 1 into 4 data cable into deck unit data port. Connect stern TNC cox to deck unit attendant 1. Connect both TNC cox to deck unit attendant 2. Connect RJ45 Ethernet cable to deck unit Ethernet port. JAS cables place deck unit inside with port facing forward. Tape deck unit. For final install, use Velcro or similar. Connect 24-volt power supply module to 30-volt cable. Connect 1 into 2 cables one end to a 24-volt supply. Connect aviation power cable to other side of 24-volt supply. Connect 1 into 2 cables other end to 12-volt supply. Connect 12-volt supply output to industrial computer power input. Insert data cable into USB port of industrial computer. Connect RJ45 Ethernet to industrial computer. Connect vessel side Ethernet to industrial computer. Plug dongle into industrial computer. Tape industrial computer. For final install, use Velcro or similar. Close front cover and tighten screws. Secure bracket with 4 M6 screws. Tighten M4 wrench. Close moon pool upper cover and tighten screws. Tighten rear cover screws. Installation complete.